Esterpeel FP1 is a superb lidding film designed for use on fresh produce packing lines. It offers exceptional clarity and clean peel with no sharding. Esterpeel FP1 is available either punched or microperforated, optimized for your fresh produce to extend shelf life, and is available clear or printed. For best results, store Esterpeel films in a temperature range of 17 to 23 degrees centigrade in a dry environment with relative humidity of 35 to 55%. Store reels in the polythene tube and bungs, on their edge, away from potential sources of contamination and off the floor. Use the information on the reel labels to help with efficient stock rotation. If part reels are returned to stores, they should be put back inside their polythene tube. Reels should be preconditioned for 24 hours at the same temperature at which they will be used to ensure that all materials put on the machine are at a consistent temperature. Ensure that tools are precisely lined up so that the film fits the tray perfectly. Most tools have location features to aid alignment. If a tool is asymmetrical, make sure it's fitted into the sealing machine the correct way round. Make sure individual sealing heads are bolted tightly to the heated platen, or heat may not transfer efficiently to the film. One of the most important and most underrated factors for tooling is tray seat rubber, which needs to be 100% intact, with no gaps and of an even height to ensure a consistent seal all the way around the tray. It is especially important that cutting blades are sharp and undamaged, to ensure that the trim can move away from the tray as it is being wound on, and to make sure that the film does not tear or break. Esterpeel FP1 works well with the leading coding equipment. Make sure that the manufacturer's recommended ribbons are used, and that printing speed does not exceed 400 mm per second. Ensure that the product is not overfilled in the punnet, or it can overflow onto the flange or cause creasing of the film, either of which can adversely affect seal integrity. Mount the reel of film centrally on the machine. There is usually a guide to help you. The film remaining after the trays have been lidded is known as the skeletal trim, and it is important that this is the same on both sides for an even rewind and to avoid a film break. Follow the machine manufacturer's instructions on film path through the machine, and adjust the film tension so that the film is smooth and flat, tight but with no creasing. Always start with the baseline machine settings for Esterpeel FP1. Set the temperature at 125 degrees centigrade with a dwell time of half a second. These machine settings will give good results in the majority of situations. Here are some examples of poor machine housekeeping leading to poor sealing performance.